Earlier we had light that was just straight down. A lot of the water ended up being really harsh. So now we end up getting some of the side light that you get more directional light with some shadows. You get kind of a spotlight look with a little bit of the orange or yellow glow. That it just makes their skin kind of pop in bronze. So there's a thing about light and the quality of light, and right now is like one of the perfect times to shoot.
I want someone completely underwater with their face to me. And so I want to be able to have just enough light where we can see them breathing, but we can also see that they're at a swimming pool.
I'm looking for light pockets. So there's areas where the light is really strong and then there's shadow behind it. And so the photos are coming out like kind of like a spotlight, and the light's also really warm right now, so it's nice. I thought today was a really great opportunity to get a little bit more creative, use like different things to frame the swimmers and the divers, and at a certain point the light was just beautiful to kind of get really pretty shadows and try to have a really low shutter speed and get kind of water effects on that. So I really enjoyed it.
Will it get better? It depends. You actually look over there, there's trees on the side. So you kind of have to know your venue too. It might get spotty where there's some really nice light on the water, but it might also have some shadows. So that could also be cool. You can get a cool element where you kind of see some things popping out where it's darker in the backs. It gets better, it gets worse. It could be either way. Depends on your perspective.